friends, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur the background of your video using Capcut. Just easy tutorial, just keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's gonna record a video first. Go to camera and tap video and switch it to front cam, and then let's make a video. Right, and then let's go ahead to Capcut. Open Capcut and then tap new project, and then choose the video that you just took to blur the background. This one, and choose this one, add. And after that, next you're gonna do is go to effects right here, and then tap video effects, and then go to basic, this one, and then scroll down and find the blur effect. Here, tap blur, and you can adjust your blur background. Either you want your video clip to be very blurred, then you can adjust it to 100, or you just want just enough blur, you can adjust it to 50, or you just want to make it a little blur, then you can go adjust it to 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30. But for me, I'm gonna choose 25. After that, you're gonna tap this little check, and then to blur the whole video clip, tap the effect and then extend it to the end of your clip. As you can see, it's already blur. In order for your face to not be part of the blur effect, is you're gonna go ahead to overlay. Tap overlay and then add overlay, and add the same video you just imported. Tap, choose, then add. So to remove the background of video, is slide it and find remove background. Tap remove background, and then let's just wait. The remove background is on process. So you see that the background of the clip is already removed. So that means our face will remain not blur. Let's just adjust it and zoom like that until it fits the whole clip, the size of the clip. Right here, same size of yourself. After that, let's play it. As you can see, my face isn't blurred now, just the background. If you see above 180p, that's the resolution for your clip. Tap this. You will see 40p, 720p, 1080p, and 2K or 4K. That's the resolution. For 2K or 4K, that means your clip is gonna be saved into a high quality video. Okay. Now, if you're gonna adjust your resolution to 180p and then a frame rate of 50 or 30, 25, it's up to you. You will see here estimated file size. It means this is gonna be the file size or the MB of your video clip. Now, I've said it's up to you what resolution we're gonna be, but for me I'm gonna choose 1080p and a 60 frame rate so the video will be smooth. Okay, change the smart HDR, okay, like that, so your video clip will be converted into an high definition. Okay, then after that, tap this arrow above in the upper right corner to save your clip, and the clip is exporting. So after that, tap done. So it's gonna see the photos, and play. And then you're all set. You can now blur your background using the Capcut app. So you see, that's an easy tips and tricks for you to blur your background in the video just using your smartphone and the Capcut app. So before I'm going to end this video, hopefully guys that you can watch my other YouTube tutorial videos. I'm just going to leave the link in the description box below. So if you find this video tutorial very helpful and easy, please hit thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell to stay updated on my upcoming latest YouTube tutorial. Bye!